Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. On the 16th of September 2025, Freesat Recordable TV boxes and Freesat 4K TV boxes received a software update. The previous software update was way back in December 2024. The new software version, 1.7, should already have been automatically downloaded and installed onto your Freesat 4K TV box, and you should not need to do anything else. Although one or two users have reported their boxes freezing after the update, something which a simple reboot has fixed. What has actually been fixed and improved with this latest software update is very vague, but Freesat have said they have made a few improvements to enhance your viewing experience. The TV guide now loads faster than before. There is a new startup message when switching the box on from standby. Plus, they have included some minor fixes, tweaks and general maintenance. It's a shame Freesat don't go into what fixes and general maintenance has been done. Perhaps they don't want to highlight these in case they should have been there from the start. It's also curious as to why it's taken them 9 months from the previous update to fix these things. But at least they are still working on improving the box, and mine does seem to be running slightly faster and better. I hope this brief video has been of use to you. If you've got any questions, drop it in the comments below, and remember to hit that like, subscribe and the notification bell to keep up to date with future video releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!